Yo.
Still here.
I don't know. I'm not gonna roast the insurance company. I don't know which one of y'all has put this Road King out here, but this shit has been here.
And for the record, I won it twice.
Yo,
Twice.
It's been here for a minute.
What is like no?
What is
they
up,
said
guys?
no.
Welcome back to TK's Garage. We're out here doing a Copart walk around. Today is a little different. We're gonna be doing a bike edition. So shout out to my dude, the Road Glide Rider. I know he likes these videos, and some other people. Yeah, he loves the bikes. So this one's gonna be all bikes. So if you're not a bike person, well, I don't know what to tell you, but if you are, then this is the video for you. So let's go. We're gonna get directly into it. This is my dude right here in New York, aka New York in your city.
Those that don't know me.
Make sure you guys go subscribe to his channel. Link will be in the description down below. I'm sorry, is that a fucking short bus? That's got to be the shortest short bus. Wait. That was what is it? It says
Home Tour.
HomeTours.com, but it looks like a bus.
The way they got it painted.
And the doors in the front.
Wow. That was not out here when I was out here.
I'm literally, for the thumbnail, I'm gonna go over there and lick the window and take a picture licking the window and be like, yo, it's the window lickers edition. I'm sorry. You know, someone's gonna be like, fuck you, TK.
Now, for those watching the video, if y'all really been paying attention, that bike was out here since the summer.
Yeah.
I won it twice and they said no.
Ooh,
so
that was a 1%er's bike according to that sticker on it. They better be careful riding around with that.
That's why people didn't want it.
What?
I wanted it. Yeah, people were scared. You know.
What do y'all got? What do y'all got out here? Outlaws, Angels. What do y'all got out here?
All of them.
All really in the same area? Ooh, that's.
Angels is out here. Angels is out here. Hell's Lovers is out here.
Nah, I'm not talking about support groups. Just the main groups. You got a ton of support groups.
Banditos is the biggest one.
Which one? Oh, yeah, the Banditos.
They're the biggest ones out
I thought they were just West Coast. They out here. What about you? Ain't
they
got
have their thing here every year where they get together.
So they used to come to my club when we were in Daytona for Bike Week, and I'd have Outlaws, Pagans, and I forget what the other group was.
You know, I'm part of an MC. When they see me, they happy. They
Yeah.
They don't say nothing. Everybody was like, you don't say nothing. I said, no, they're happy.
Nah, everybody be.
And Outkast runs everything. Okay. So they the one that govern all of the scene. I know everybody gonna see that bike that watch my channel be like, yeah, that's the same one. But I already found the vet another bike. I had to find him a street glide.
Damn, man, I wonder if that was either stolen or somebody like
stolen the strip. Everybody, y'all should remember this one.
They fucked this up.
I did a thumbnail with me sitting in it.
Jesus. Oh, you sat in that?
Yeah.
Hell no.
I put a seat thing inside and did this. And for folks that don't know, that's the same Ecotech engine as someone called it.
Yeah, it's a GM engine, so it's like in a friggin' Chevy Cruze or something.
Yep, it just turned that way.
Polaris, huh? So Polaris is
slingshot. This was a whole slingshot.
I wonder if
Polaris was the one.
Polaris is. I wonder if Polaris must have a contract with GM or something.
Not sure, but I remember when I showed that's what it was.
Yeah, the only bike that I saw out here on the list that I was personally interested in was that Aprilia.
Yeah, that's out here.
I see this though. Let me see what's up with this 1300. Is it a? Oh, it's a 1600. Is this a remote? Oh no, it's a key. All right, hold on. Oh, you're dead though. No. Huh? Yeah, they're just tapping though. They're not. It's not lighting up. Oh, wait a minute. There you go.
Tap one time. It's in 6th gear.
Yeah.
It's on.
No, it says neutral.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
But they crank that how
He's smoking like a son of a bitch though. Blow that shit out.
What I like about these is unlock this, take the whole thing off like a suitcase. That's That's the one thing I love about these.
Well, they're touring, but like these bikes were made to like dudes just tour these shits all around Europe. That's what they do with them. This is like the gold wing of BMW. That's it.
And they're very comfortable.
Yeah, yeah.
Very, very comfortable. More comfortable than my Harley.
God. Ooh, they laid it down though.
Yeah.
But it's not horrible, man. This kind of shit, like cosmetic shit, I wouldn't trip.
Only 23.8 on it.
Yeah.
That's good.
That's a beast. Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you right now though, every time this has gone off, it's probably gonna be the third time this week.
They won't let it go. They won't.
Going off for more than I want to spend.
Yeah. And they still ain't letting it go.
They still ain't letting it go.
They want too much money. They keep doing that. And you know, it's getting close to tax time. I don't know if it's going to be as bad on the bikes as the cars, but
That hurt my heart right there.
this one here,
No, that CVO, but that one, that's a brand new CVO.
that one,
Done.
what happened? It bent the forks? I see the handlebar bent.
Didn't want to bend the forks.
Yo, what the hell?
This is the, yeah, that's the Screaming Eagle.
Super tuner.
Yeah, Screaming Eagle tuner. No power.
Oh,
Screaming Eagle tuner. I
damn.
already know I was bidding on this heavy.
This thing will be
Because
flying.
CVOs, if you put it back together, the specs is worth a lot of money.
Wow.
Same thing with this CVO. I am bidding on this one though. This brand new CVO. This is a $40,000 to $56,000 bike with 117 on it.
I was gonna say it's a bigger motor.
And dude laid it down.
Clearly, no forks are shot. Like, well, that's the thing. I would literally, you just got to replace this. Like, bloop, put some new
There's
shit.
a website you can order all the CVO stuff from and all the Harley stuff already painted. I'll just reorder everything.
That
The
bolt
bars,
bolts right from the frame. Clean it up.
bring it back to specs.
Put another box or put 2 boxes on it. I mean, you can put it back together. I don't see.
I'll even order the tour pack.
I don't see that not being a repairable bike. Like this
No,
should.
it's repairable.
Does it run?
Couldn't get any power.
Battery's probably just no.
Better
Yeah.
sit up under here.
Under what here?
Right. That's better right there.
Yeah. It's not clips. That's crazy. Huh. Damn, that.
It's hurt my soul. It's a brand new bike. Yeah. But I mean, it can be fixed. It can be brought back to life.
Yeah.
It can be brought back to life. This one was the one they sit over here and moved over here.
This one's been here forever too.
Yes.
Was that a Sportster? Yeah.
And y'all, I will say I am willing to bid on this bike still.
Which one? The Cowie?
Yes. I know y'all seen me pick it up before.
That's clean.
Only thing wrong with it went down. That's it.
So it needs a fairing.
Yep.
Actually, I would just sand that and paint it and put it back together.
Well, I went to that same website and just ordered.
Yep.
From the year make model, just ordered that piece.
He's clean. Hell yeah. That bike is clean, man.
Yeah, shout out to the guy that works here because he was riding around so I could film it.
Man.
But yeah. He goes, "Oh, yours." I said, "Well, it was all mine, but outside the gate."
Yep. Yeah.
But I am going to bid on this.
That's not bad.
One, that 2020 right there so far.
Somebody won that Impala. Look at that thing, man. Oh, they just dropped it.
Yeah. They just dropped it off.
All right, I'm about to be
All
like,
that's
yo.
inspected. From here over inspection to get put on
They
the
get
line.
inventory, yeah.
Yeah, to get inventory.
Damn, man. I like these, the Vulcans, man.
I don't have a market for them no more. Nobody
wants them because you know what it is? It's because they're Bobo Harleys. You know what I'm saying?
Everybody said, if I do that, I'm gonna just get a Harley. I'm like, okay.
But you can get these cheap. If, for somebody that's trying to learn on a big bike, I'd get them because that way if they lay it down or break it.
$1,700 for one.
Right.
Fully dressed like that, repainted it, put it out there for sale. I was actually $3 grand for it. It sat forever.
Man.
It took for somebody that lived in Arkansas. He came to look at it. He said, I give you $2,800 for it. It's sold.
Shit.
So I ain't had that much money. It's sold. I just wanted it gone because I had it too long.
Yeah.
I don't like holding nothing too long.
That's crazy, man.
You got a lot more Harleys out here. Like that one I said I'm in the bid on. That one's still out here. They don't let me have. There's another one. The one with your big wheel finally just left.
Oh, did it?
Somebody overpaid like hell for it. I said, fuck it. I
No, I'm not. Even if I really want it, I refuse. I'm not gonna overpay for stuff. I just won't do it. What's up with this Cowie? Is it dead? Wow, what the fuck all that is? But they ain't got no keys, huh?
The key in ignition is over here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Does she got any power?
Power. Let's see. Oh, yeah, it does.
Does it got power?
Is it neutral too? Oh shit, hold up.
Let's see if she fire up. Nah, she's dead. Damn. It's clean though. There's another one. They got a lot of these damn Kawasaki's out here, man. Do they have, what do they got, a Kawasaki dealer out here that sell these bikes?
There's one out here, and he's probably having a hard time now. Even Harley's having a hard time.
Nobody trying to spend 30 grand on a bike.
Not anymore.
I mean, the money just ain't there right now. Cars, because they're able, you know, banks will finance the shit till the cows come home, and they know that the market will eventually turn around and people will be able to afford them. But anything else, man? Nah.
Batteries don't last that long on these.
Not, and when it's cold, they die quick. Done. Because they're also
all three of these running.
They're also super close. You know, they get exposed real quick. What's up with this bitch?
Still trying to win this one?
What is this? A Buell?
No, this is a Harley. This is basically
what?
The monster of all Harleys. This one took over the V-Rod, and it has the 114 in it.
Yo, let me. Yo, where's the damn?
I don't know what the key is. That's the only thing
I couldn't find it. You know, sometimes they put the button on the rear, but I don't see a thing.
No, the key's not. Oh, the key's up here. Hold on.
Is it? Oh shit!
The key wasn't here before. Oh. I ain't bring my little jump on.
Damn.
So the key wasn't here before. I had that going off and like, where's the key?
That's crazy, man. Because that thing right there.
This is a monster. Will hurt your back going long distance, but around town.
Yeah, but this would be like if for somebody like me that's come from crotch rockets. If I wanted to get into that, I'd be right on this.
My bike out of the crotch rocket was the M109R, like that one way over there.
Yeah.
And it's built like this. This is the ultimate beast. And it comes with has a little back seat that goes back here, but I didn't bring it with it. But still, this right here, and what I like about it is you can adjust the suspension.
Woo!
I've ridden one of these and beast.
Man.
Beast on the road. So I see what's some other about it. Coming straight from the front rocket and you're trying to transition, yeah. That's the one I'm winning on.
It's dead?
Yeah, it's still dead. I had to jump it last time I was out here.
It's clean though.
Yep.
Looks like it's brand new. What year is it?
It's brand new. It's 19.
Wow. So what, did somebody lay it down?
Somebody hit something in the front. The fender's right here.
Oh, I'm looking. I didn't walk around the front yet and I was like, oh.
They stuck the fender in here, but the whole front piece, whole front fascia's gone.
I bet you the forks are bent. If that was the fender, they got to be bent.
Fork's not bent though.
No?
Wow. Whatever it hit and went up.
Yeah, because you can see the damage right here on that fork.
It hit, went up, whatever it was, whatever they hit.
Yep.
And I'm glad the radio's not damaged, just that pin's right there, bent that's broke. I got it to switch on and everything. Because that radio, just the radio alone is 15 to 2 grand.
Right.
Because it's the full touch.
Yeah.
I didn't know if you looked at the BMW sitting right there.
Oh, I didn't see that one. I walked right by it. I saw the 1600, but not this one. 850, huh?
They had 4 lined up. I guess the rest of them was sold. So I got my mask.
God damn.
Oh, I got my mask on.
That display is done.
Yeah. Done.
No way to tell if she got power either. Let me hold the clutch.
Didn't when I did it, but yeah, switched on. There ain't go down.
Wow, that dust ain't no fun here. That's worse than Vegas.
That's why I had to keep this on the whole time. But not, I'll be out here sneezing.
Man.
Sneezing. I'm like, not today. Not today. Okay, I already did that. Got a reminder for a reminder. We already did that already. You know what I'm saying? There was 4 BMW bikes out here. It was those 2, a huge touring bike, and a little racing bike.
That dust.
I figure Vegas would be worse because it's dry.
You know what though? They don't use the same kind of sand.
Like out here, the wind could be blowing and it just blow up.
Yeah, I see.
Well, I ain't know what else you want to look at. I'm gonna look at that rain.
I'm good. Oh. What is up, guys? We're out here filming. You can see I got the GoPro out here now. Oh! I'm out here with my dude, New York.
Yes, sir.
Find him here on the gram. Ooh, look at that brand new Range Rover. It just came fresh in. Ooh, we out here looking at some bikes right now. If y'all don't want to see that bike content, it's coming soon. We're still filming. But we're about to wrap up the bike joint. We about to go fuck up some barbecue. That's what's about. That's what's about to happen.
My bad.
Man.
I was saving my cheat day for TK.
What is up, guys? We're out here filming. You can see I got the GoPro out here now.
Now my phone's gonna blow real quick. Yo, why you tell me you was going?
Yeah.
Well, last minute, damn it.
Yeah. Well, guys, I'm not seeing anything else out here special. I don't see the Aprilia out here either. That's on the list.
Well, it's sitting right here.
Yeah. Right. It might have sold.
It was sitting right here. Right in this spot right here.
Huh.
So I did a video on it.
TBSE. What the fuck is that?
That is a trunk. Old trunk with the battery that sits on the back. I hate that they came out with this battery on the back. Now the newer trunk was over there. That had the battery inside. This is where the battery sat on the outside.
Shit.
2011. 2013, the batteries went inside. I was like, why would you want to ride with the battery back in the back?
That's crazy.
If you're gonna do it, at least put it in a tour pack or something.
I wonder if this thing works. It's a 125, huh?
I don't think it had any power. Yeah. They have any power.
It's all fucked up.
Hey, you wanna hear something funny? A dude came and crunk one of them. I don't know if it's still recording, but a dude came and crunk one of them.
And it shot out. It's in gear. Yeah. I've seen it happen. And they don't look. They're not paying attention. They'd be like, "Is it in neutral?" They're not paying attention.
Me and the other guy, Jeff, we were standing right over here, right, talking. And I said, "Look at that crap."
I'd have
Luckily,
been crying.
when it crunked up, it just went to the middle, and nothing was out there. And I hate to say it was one of the workers, so he walked over there and said, "Hey man,
Yeah.
make sure it's in neutral."
Yeah.
I said, "Boy, he gonna job it."
Man, they're not playing with that either. They don't. Yeah. All right, guys, that's gonna probably wrap this up. It is a shorter video today, but we just wanted to get a quick walk around in out here with the bikes. I'll probably drop this for you guys on the weekend or something for my bike guys. But make sure to go follow my dude New York,
Which
AKA.
I am a huge bike guy.
Yep,
It or not.
that's
Folks
it.
that don't know.
That's it. Make sure you go follow New York. Go subscribe to his channel. Link will be in the description down below. And like I said, he's not just a Copart YouTuber. He has a podcast where he interviews other automotive people and some other stuff. So go hit him up. Go subscribe. Oh, look at that Chinese shit with the Department of Defense sticker on it. Come on, man. Yeah, man, that's trash.
It's done.
Yeah, you look at it. It's broke.
Yeah.
Done.
Look, that's the other trunk. See how the newer one is?
Yeah.
It sits right behind that little cup thing. Right?
Yep. Well, that's a better design.
Yeah, newer.
But it's British, you know, they do shit backwards. I know RAV4 guy gonna be like, "Fuck you, TK." All right, guys. I will catch you guys later. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.